Hi, hello. Welcome to Chiguru, the learning route. I'm Rashmi. In my last videos, I explained you about chapter 13, factorization, factorization by taking out common factors and factorization by grouping. So now I'm going to explain you next part is exercise 13a. So first question they have given multiple choice type in that choose the correct answer from the option given below. Right. So in this first question is minus 7x square minus 14y is equal to. So is equal to, they are given four options. First one is minus 21x square y. Second one is 14x square y. C one is 7 into within the bracket minus x square minus 2y. D1 minus 7 into within the bracket x square plus 2y. Let's check out in this which one is the correct option. So I will write once again the question minus 7x square minus 14y. So right, we know that how to take common factor, right? Yes. So in this, which is a common factor? So here anyhow minus is there. Okay. Then shall we take 7 as a common? Yes, 7 and 14. 14 will come in 7 tables. Then shall we take x square? No, right. So x square we cannot take and y is also we cannot take. So now we have to take minus 7, right? Yes. So minus 7. If we take common minus 7, then in bracket it will come x square. So 7 2 is a 14. 7 2 is a 14 y. Right. Here now which sign we have to write? So minus into minus it will come plus. Right. So this will be the answer. So in that option, which one is answer? Right. So D1 is the correct answer. Yes. So let's go for next question. Second question. A into x minus y minus b into x minus y whole square is equal to. They are given four options, that is a1 x minus y whole square into a minus b, b1 x plus y into x minus y into a minus b, c1 x minus y into a minus bx plus by, d1 x minus y into a minus bx minus by. So let's check out which one will be the correct answer, right? Yes. So a into x minus y minus b into x minus y whole square, we'll write it again. A into x minus y minus b into x minus y whole square, right? So this is one term and that is another term. So let's go for it. So which will be the common factor in this both the terms? Which one? Yes, you can find out, right? X minus y will be the common. So x minus y here 1 times repeated and x minus y here 2 times repeated, right? Power 2 in the sense 2 times it repeated. So if I taken 1 time common, that is x minus y, then remaining is a minus b. 1 time I have taken, remaining is another 1 time. So x minus y, a minus b into x minus into plus minus b into x bx minus into minus plus b into y by. So for further, can we simplify this? No, right? Yes. So the final answer is x minus y into a minus bx plus by. This is the final answer. So shall we check out which will be the correct option? So x minus y, c, a minus bx plus by, right? So then c is the correct option. So we'll go for next question, third one. Now third one, a square plus bc plus ab plus ac is equal to, they have given 4 options, that is a plus b into a plus c, b a plus b into b plus c a plus c into a minus b, d a minus b into b plus c. So let's write again the question. A square plus bc plus ab plus ac, right? There is no common here. So if I consider this, if you go for grouping, right? We know that grouping, right? If you go for grouping, do you find any common here? No. Here, yeah, A. If I take A, B plus C. But here we are not having any common. I can do is, shall I alter the terms? Yes. If I alter the terms, it will be A square plus, I will take this as the second term, AC plus, this will be third term, AB plus BC. Is it altered? Right. Now, shall I go for pairing? Shall I go for grouping? Yes, I did that. Now we can take common factor. Right. So now here, which is the common? A. So if I take A common out, then remaining is one time of A I have taken, another A is left over, plus A I have taken, another C. Then plus here, which is the term is common? B. A plus C. A plus C, right? So now A plus C and A plus C are the common. Then if we take A plus C as a common, A plus C into A, which sign here? Plus B. What you got? A plus B into A plus C. So shall we check out which one? A plus B into A plus B. Yeah, we can, not an issue. We can write first term as a plus B, and later we can write A plus C. We can, nothing will happen. It's a nothing is there. It is a multiply. Then A plus B into A plus C. Like this also we can write. Yes. So which one is? First option is right. Now we'll go for next question, that is fourth question. So now fourth question. Fourth question is 1 minus 2x minus 2x square plus 4x cube is equal to. So they have given an option. A option is 1 plus 2x into 1 minus 2x square. B option is 1 plus 2x into 1 plus 2x square. C option is 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 2x square. D option is 1 minus 2x into 1 plus 2x square. So let's solve this. First write on the question 1 minus 2x minus 2x square plus 4x cube. So shall we pair it like this? Let's. So here there is no common, and here we can find the common. But also if I alter, then also I will not get the pair. So that what we can do, if I want to take a common, I can take common as 1. So in this, if I take common as 1, it will be 1 into, as it is, 1 minus 2x. As it is, it will come by, because 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into 2, 2, 1 into x, x. As it is, it will come if you multiply by 1, or if you take a common or as a 1 also. Now here minus. Now what will be the common here? 2x square plus 4x cube. Nothing but we can take common as 2x square. Yes, if I take a common as 2x square, so minus I have written 2x square. Remaining is 2x square once a 2x square. Nothing is remaining. So nothing is remaining in the sense 1. 2x square into 1 equals 2x square. Now minus into, see, keep in mind always before the bracket, if you are having a minus sign, you have to multiply, right? So don't miss to multiply that. So minus into plus, minus. So 2 2s are 4, x square into x cube, right? So 1 minus x square, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x, both are common, so shall we take common? 1 minus 2x, then if I take common in this grouping, so remaining will be 1 minus 2x square. So this is the solution for this 1 minus 2x square plus 4x cube. So shall we check out the options mentioned here? Which option is that? Yes, that is C option, right? So shall we go for next question? Fifth one. What is that? A into x minus y minus b into y minus x square is equal to A option, a minus y into a minus by plus bx, b1 y minus x into a minus bx plus by, c1 x minus y into a minus bx minus by, d1 x minus y into a minus bx plus y. So this is the question they have given, and those are 4 options. So how to solve? Actually here one twist they have given. Here x minus y, but over there y minus x is totally different. See, if it is an addition, not at all problem, but here subtraction, that means we cannot replace the term. So what we have to do here? Let's check out. Come here. We'll solve this. Write the question as well as I told you that. Write the question here. A into x minus y minus b into y minus x whole square. Right? Yes. So I will write as it is this one. A into x minus y minus b. Here shall I write x minus y? If I take minus as a comma, if I take minus as a comma, this will become plus and this will become minus. That means plus x minus y, right? Then whole square. So now, as we learnt in the exponent, so minus, if there is a minus in the base and exponents are even, then minus will become plus, right? Yes. So a into x minus y minus b into x minus y whole square. So square and here minus. So if you do minus into minus, it will become plus, then the minus will be gone here, right? So now can we take common here? Yes, obviously. So if I take x minus y common, here leftover is a and as well as minus, then b, and remaining is a minus y. Then common x minus y, a minus b into x minus bx, and minus into minus plus b y. So x minus y into a minus bx plus by. Which is the correct option here? Yes. So D1 is the correct option. So in this video, you learned about how to solve multiple choice question. That is the first question they have given in a exercise 13a. So in next video, I will solve exercise 13a from second question. Okay, until that time, stay tuned, and if you like this video, like, subscribe, and if you want any more concept to be explained, please text me in the comment box. Thank you.